This is a 6.7 Cummins. Mine's an 07.5. Removing the silencer ring. You gotta take this clamp off. It's just a pain in the ass to get to. Mine, this bolt was all the way in the back here. So I just loosened it up until I could turn it. Get the rest of the way off. Now, that is a silencer ring. This piece, let's set this piece right here is a silencer ring. And it's held in with those two dowels, or there's three dowels. There's one there. I don't know if you can see that one. There's one right there. And there's one more on the other side. Just got to drill those out. Then from the back side in here, you knock it out. Use something soft so you don't damage the housing. We'll be back when I get it out. So what I did on these pins was I drilled to the right side of it, then use a little small like needle point type thing to beat the pin to the right side, then I drilled to the left side. Then here is this is a silencer ring. I just used a little piece of wood to knock it out from the back side. So, should be good to go. I'm going to clean up the housing, get all these metal chips out of here. There's a little bit of chips, aluminum chips, but clean that up, put it back on. Then on the back side, you gotta be careful when you put this back on. There's a pin on the center section that this lines up with. That's what indexes the housing to the center section. I'll show you this. You won't be able to see the pin, but it's on there.